Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2015 Toyota Sienna LE. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Let's take a look at some of the features on the inside. This vehicle has power mirrors, windows, and locks. It's all automatic windows. Power seating. Comfortably seats 7 passengers. With a very spacious interior. This vehicle also comes with steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It has AM, FM, XM radio. Touchscreen interface. Also has USB and auxiliary inputs, as well as Bluetooth audio. It has a rear view camera, dual climate control, so the driver and the passenger can set their own temperatures, and heated seating, as well as many more great features.